Back in the past, I was a little raindrop. My grandpa used to tell me his memories. We used to talk about water cycle.
Grandpa, what is the water cycle?
Oh, honey, water cycle is our life cycle. Every major raindrop joins this cycle. It's fantastic. My happiest moment was the moment that I dropped on the leaf.
Few months later, I became a major raindrop. My first job was to evaporate into the cloud. I got really excited. Reaching to the cloud, there were lots of acid drops. These surrounded me, and that really pissed me off. Having got rid of them, I felt a relief for some time. I was hoping to become a bright blue raindrop. Hooray! Yes, I was dropping to leaf like my grandpa, but it was a little acid drop. It made a hole on the leaf. Oh my gosh, I was falling again. To a soft ground, I was praying. No, no. That was a hard ground. I found myself in a dark and scary place. There were lots of trash around. Thanks God. At last, a gate to different and strange place. A big pool, cleansing the water from waste. Oh! I got truly clean. What was that I was cleaned by? At that very moment, I was on my way home. The water in the pool was flowing into a valley, and after a long and enjoyable journey to the sea. Yeah, I got there. My grandpa and I met again. But I have still some questions in my mind. Why our experience was different from each other? Who is responsible for the trouble? Who?
Mr. Raindrop, falling away from me now. Mr. Raindrop, falling away from me now.